Cindy.
From Sister Saving You Sense, and welcome back, Sense Saver.
Welcome back, guys.
Guys, it is Wednesday. We are at CVS, guys.
Yes. I don't know what today is. I don't know what today's date.
March. I'm sorry.
March.
I had to think about that thing.
Yeah.
We are heading in to get some deals done.
Yes.
See what we can find.
Yeah, there was a couple things. They had a couple Ibotta rebates. Not that we need them right now on Wednesday.
But you might save them till tomorrow.
Oh, well, you might need them on Wednesday if you haven't completed your midweek.
Yep.
So we're going to go see what we can find. It's a little busy out here right now. But we'll do the best we can.
All right, y'all.
Let's go get these deals.
This is a bundle toothpaste deal. So
yes.
We're going to pick up the 2 Colgate red ones right there for $2.78. Then we're going to buy
Not $2.78, $7.98.
$7.98, I'm sorry. Then we're going to pick up two toothpaste for $3.99.
Yep.
Okay, and then we're going to get a toothbrush.
Yep.
Okay. Now, when you buy 3, you get $5 back. Okay.
Yep.
So the 2 toothpaste and the 1 toothbrush, all of that is going to equal $19. It's 2 toothpaste. See, I don't know
it's this right here. So it's 2 Colgates and the 3 Crest items, guys.
Okay.
We're getting 1 Oral-B because there's a digital on the Oral-B and a digital on the Crest and a digital on the Colgate. So this is how we broke it up. Okay.
I got you,
and when you buy all 5 items, it's going to be that $19.95. Okay. Now you can hit them with the coupons.
If you have a 2 off of 12 CRT, use that. A 7 off of 2 digital here. A $2 Crest Oral-B, a $2 Crest, and a $2 coupon from the P&G. Okay?
Yes, a paper coupon.
1 paper coupon. You'll pay $4.95 for all 5 items.
Yep. And
you'll get $5 back. It'll make it free.
It'll make it just free, guys. It's like a 5-cent moneymaker. But this is a great deal. Now, if you don't have the $2, then you'll end up paying $2 for this. Or you could just break it off. You could do this and just do the buy 3 on that. Or just get these 2 for 98 cents if you need toothpaste.
But I would definitely follow it if you have the 2
the 2 off of 12.
CRT.
Go and pick it up, y'all. All right. This is what Tamika just realized.
Yeah, you can do the 2 off of 12 CRT or the 5 off of 20 CRT.
Yeah.
This is a general oral care CRT.
Because Tamika has a 5 off of 20. I have a 2 off of 12. So if she does that 5 off 20, it's going to be a moneymaker, guys. It'll literally almost be a $5 moneymaker. So this is a fantastic deal. Or you could pair it with some of the other promotions that are going on. But this is the breakdown we came up with because we didn't know Tamika had a 5 off 20.
Not till I got in here.
Not till we got in here. So, all right,
y'all.
Here's the next deal. This is going to be on the Skintimate razors. Now, ours are priced at $9.49. And this is going to depend on your CRTs. But we're going to pick up 3. They're buy one, get one 50% off. And I'll tell you why I'm getting 3 in a minute. But that's neither here nor there. Pick up 3 of them for $9.49. It's going to be $23.72. You're looking for a 5 off of 20 CRT, a $4 off of 2 Skintimate CRT, and a $2 CRT off of just 1. Then you're going to use 3 of the $4 off of 1 Skintimate Chic disposable razor coupons, and that is in Smart Source 220. You're going to pay 72 cents. If yours are priced at $9.49, you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, and it'll end up making it completely free in a $4.27 money maker. You can get 4 if you want to. You'll just have to use 4 paper coupons, guys. That's completely up to you. If your store will let you use up to 4 without a problem, do that. If not, just keep it at 3. As long as you have these CRTs, it's going to make a fantastic deal. All right, y'all, pick it on up.
Y'all, you should see all this that goes into this before we get this done. Okay.
Yeah.
These you by Kotex liners. Either one of them. It's $179 to $189. Check your app for a $2 CRT.
Show enough.
Free.
This is just the easiest way to get this thing done. Okay. So let me put these back on the shelf in a nice way, and then we're going to hit you with another deal we just found while we...
These always ultra thin 16 count pads. They are 2 for $9 in the store, but you're going to pick up 1 for $4.79. Check your app for a $3 CRT and then use the $P&G coupon. Makes the final cost just 79 freaking cents.
79 freaking cents?
Great deal.
This is a great deal. All right, y'all. Pick it up. So here's the next deal that we're going to try to tell you guys about. Can you push the cart forward, Tamika? Sorry. Okay, guys, so you're going to pick up one of these clear brow gels. It's $7.29. And then you're going to pick up one of the CoverGirl clean concealers for $7.79. These 2 items are going to equal up to $15.08. Now, the CoverGirl Cosmetics are buy 2, get a $6 extra care buck. So when you pick up both of these, they're each going to have a $2 digital that attaches, 1 for face and 1 for eye. Okay, so that's going to take off $4. And then you're looking for a $4, what I think is either an instant coupon, guys. Me and Tamika both have a $4, so it's either instant coupon, mystery coupon. It's something. Tamika has a $3 CVS CRT as well. So you're looking for that. And if you have all of those, then you'll end up paying, what is that?
$4.08.
$4.08, guys. You'll get $6 back in extra care bucks, making this deal completely free and a $1.98 moneymaker. Really, really great deal. Super, super easy. And if you don't want to do the buy 2 deal, you could just stack those 2 CRTs and get an item for free or pay a little bit for it. Okay? All right, y'all.
Next deal is on the Neutrogena wipes. Right here, makeup remover. That's $6.99. We have a $4 instant coupon. Check for that. $3 if you have a $3 CVS CRT and a $2 digital coupon. You'll pay nothing for the wipes and you'll get submit for $1 on Ibotta. Makes it free plus $1 money maker.
Yes, guys. Alternatively, if your store is out of wipes for whatever reason, I'm about to knock over the survey. You can pick up the Neutrogena. These are buy one get one 50% off at $3.89. Buy one get one 40% off. Yes, we're only going to pick up one. I don't really want two of these guys. And you can just go ahead and it'll be free because the CRTs will come off. The $4 would make this free by itself, or you could pair it and get some other things and mix and match. We do have coupons and stuff like that. Okay. All right, y'all. So I found another deal when I came back over here. This is on the flushable cleaning cloths. These are on clearance for 25% off, making them $2.39, guys. So I'm going to pick these up because I have a $2 CVS Health or $2 off of feminine cleansing, and that'll make these just 39 cents, which is not a bad deal at all. So I'm going to go ahead and pick them on up, guys. All right, so I wanted to quickly review everything that I purchased so that way you guys understand kind of the breakdown. So I ended up picking up the Colgate toothpaste, the Crest toothpaste, the Schick razors, the Neutrogena wipes, and I also picked up the cleansing cloths that I showed you guys and the Kotex liners. Okay, guys, so this is kind of everything. All of my coupons came off correctly, so you can see the manufacturer coupons that were used, the $2 Crest and the $3 $4 Schick coupons, and then I only ended up rolling $2 and like a couple change. You can see that 17 cents back in that $2. That only rolled $2.17 in extra care bucks because it was not going to be that much, so I knew I couldn't roll a large amount. Anyways, it was $2.89 subtotal. I got back $10 in extra care bucks, as you can see, and so this was a fantastic deal plus a moneymaker. So super simple, and now me and Tamika are headed to the next location. All right, y'all.
All right, y'all. We is out of CVS now. We is at the Walgreens.
We are.
There's a few deals. Hopefully, we got some stuff. We can go on in here and get something.
Yes, so, we'll see what's in here. It may not be too much, but hey, we gonna see what we can do.
We're ready to do what it do.
So let's go see what we can find, y'all.
All right.
All right. Here's the next deal. It is on the Crest toothpaste and then the Oral-B. You're looking for the ones that are priced at $4. When you buy two, you get a $4 register reward. So you're gonna pick up one Crest toothpaste at $4, one Oral-B toothbrush at $4. You're gonna use a $2 digital on the Oral-B and then a $2 digital on the Crest. It's gonna end up making it $4 to pay out of pocket, and then you're gonna get $4 back in register rewards. Super simple, and it's completely free, y'all. So pick it on up.
This next deal is on these big. This is gonna be the Flex 4 for us. We don't have the Soleils. They're $6.29 when you buy. They're buy one get one 50% off. When you buy two, you get $2 in Walgreens cash. So pick them up for $9.43. Use the 6 off of 2 digital coupon. Pay $3.43. Get $2 back in Walgreens cash, making the final cost $1.43 or just 72 cents each.
That's not bad.
Not bad. So women's or men's, but we just don't have them.
Yeah, we're out of the women's. So all right, y'all, pick it on up. I have a deal that we wanted to test out first to see how it would work, and so Tamika tested this out, and this is how it ended up working. So how much are they?
They are $7.49. Buy one get one 50% off.
Yes, guys.
So that'll be like $11.43.
Yes.
So you can use the BOGO coupon, guys. It'll be on the list. It'll take off $6.50 automatically.
Yes.
That makes the final cost just $4.73.
Yes.
Or $2.40 something each. Not bad.
Yes, guys. So this is not a bad deal if you need to go ahead and get a couple of these, guys. And they're on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off. So pretty good deal. All right, y'all, pick it on up. Okay, guys, we wanted to tell you about the Love Steal that we had posted on Instagram. Our store didn't look like they carried them in store, or either they were out of stock, one of the two. But you can either do this deal online and get them priced at $7.49 or in store for $8.49. Now, if you get them online, they're going to end up being just 99 cents, but if you do it in store, they'll end up being like $1.49. So you can kind of choose, but we have two coupons, a $2.50 off of one Love's diapers that you're looking for, and then a 2 off of 2 Walgreens, and this is an IBC, so if you just buy one, it's just going to take that $1 off, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making them 99 cents if you decide to do this as like online pickup, okay? Now, like I said, if you do them in store, you're going to do the exact same deal, but it's going to be priced at $8.49, which is going to make it $1.49, but still a fantastic deal. So go ahead and pick it on up, y'all. So we left Walgreens because they didn't have anything. And then also we came over to Dollar General, but they didn't really have nothing too much either. So that's really up to you guys. I look scary, I'm sorry, but anyways.
Me too. Don't care.
Plus they were really busy and we was just tired. But we're gonna put some slides in the video. Y'all gonna be seeing this at the end, but we gonna put some slides in the video to kind of compensate for some of the deals that we did not have in store.
Yep. And
just kind of go from there, guys. Okay.
Yeah. Tomorrow's Walmart. Might be a hot week if some of these deals.
Let's hope that it's a pretty hot week if everything continues as normal. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us out.
Yep.
And we'll see you on the Walmart video tomorrow.
All right, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Thanks for watching. Bye.